Okay, so for those of you that don't know Andy, Andy's not only a cameraman, but Andy loves his fishing. So what he's done is he's rigged up this nice little outfit which we use for whiting down at Port Phillip Bay, and we're onto something. And the beautiful thing about this outfit is it's nice and light. So we're bringing it up. Don't know what it is. It could be peanuts, but because we're on such light gear, it feels really good. So that's what fishing's all about. Fishing's all about us enjoying ourselves. Oh, and here we go. Here we go, something different, Jace. Perfect hookup. There you go. Sweet. Well, looks like he's swept us as well. That's a perfect hookup. Absolutely perfect in the corner of the jaw. Now, what are these like around here? Do you get a lot of these around here as well?
You do, especially on the shallow reefs inside 50 metres. They're quite prolific.
Yep.
They're not bad eating, not great eating, but they're not bad.
They're still something that you take and sell though, aren't they?
Yeah, for sure.
Fantastic. Well, there's another species. So we've got 3 or 4 different species already on board. That's what this place Bermagui is all about. But guys, you've got to get out here and hook up with a local like this, you know, who knows his stuff. That's the way you got to do it. Otherwise, we could be out here for hours wondering what's all the fuss about.
I just hooked up on something here. As soon as I hit the bottom, bang. Not sure what it is. It isn't huge, but in millions. Got some colour now, and it's a perch. Decent sized perch.
Now Jace, just hang on there a second. I'll let this one go. Right. Now, Jace, these perches, they bear a lot of similarities to the gurnards, but it's not actually a gurnard, is it?
No, it's not. The gurnard have got a lot worse spikes, bigger spikes. And
yep.
These actually are quite good eating too.
Same family?
Same perch family.
Yep. Because they call the gurnard the poor man's crayfish. Is that right?
That's right. Yeah.
So, guys, we're looking forward to have a good feed of these. Why not?
They're beautiful animal. Something pretty much straight away. A few good head shakes there. I'm not going to call it, but because it's so deep the water, things tend to get a bit easier as you get to the top and not fight as much. There's some colour in a second, and some melon.
Oh, and that's a good melon too, wow. Now Jace, this is no secret, is it? Just before we move to this spot, guys, Andy pulled up a fresh bit of bait for us there, and you've hooked it up straight away, a nice fresh mackerel. Hooked it up straight away as I have, and bang, there it is.
Yep,
See? Away. So guys, no matter where you are, it's the same theory. Fresh bait gives you the results. He's coming with us, isn't he?
He sure is, and I think you just hooked up over there.
Beautiful. Well, let's go and do the business. So we're on here, double banger. I'm on the light gear, and Jace is on the heavier gear, and we've called it early for a double set. Oh wow, nice big moe on this one.
And a flat.
And a flatty. Wow, guys. Come to Bermagui, they said. Do some real fishing. Unbelievable, Jace. This is incredible, mate.
It's going all right.
That's why you've come out with a local, guys. And this guy, even though he's a commercial fisher, he loves guys like us. You've got to look him up, Jace. Where do they find you?
TrapmanBermagui.com.au.
TrapmanBermagui.com.au, guys. And this is the kind of stuff you're going to get out and enjoy doing. Jace, you are a star.
Well, the action didn't stop. The fish just kept coming over the boat, one after the other. Wow, what a day.
Guys, I thought I had a good one, but the local has absolutely localised me. Jace, this is absolute mayhem.
It's all happening, that's for sure.
All happening. My God, you were just saying, we were over that eastern side of the reef, nothing. We come over to the western side and wow, guys, look at those flatheads. Look at that bottom one. Wow. He is an absolute beast. Oh, stand by, I'm not too far away. I could have the rest of his family here. 60 metres is a long way, guys. But I'm not complaining. There you go.
It's a big flatty.
Here comes his dad. Look at that, guys. 3 absolute horses. Absolute horses.
Well, this epic day finally came to a close. And what a day it had been. After a terrific day out on the water, I thought what better way to enjoy our spoils than to go and visit my great friends George and Ruby, 2 people who have spent a lifetime cooking seafood for a living. Firstly, Ruby prepares the seasoning for the fish we had caught earlier that day. Then she makes sure to season the fish all over. And typically, Ruby didn't stop there, preparing several other dishes in her true form. In true Greek fashion, George armed himself with a Windex bottle full of oil and a barbecue in preparation for the fish that Ruby had earlier prepared, and now it was George's turn. George and Ruby both worked their magic, and now it was the moment we had all been waiting for, a beautiful big Greek seafood banquet.
Okay guys, so here we are. After a fantastic day's fishing, I get to spend a fantastic evening with the stuff that we caught with some great friends. Guys, this is what it's all about. Real fun lifestyle and fishing. Bon appetit, everybody.
Yasu!
Yasu!
Good on you. That's it.
What about you?
Dave?
Dave, what about you? Where's yours, man?
Dave?